Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Xiaomi Redmi 90. And guys, this is a new mid-range phone from Xiaomi which is costing around 34,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And Xiaomi is launching the Redmi 90 with the two variants. We have a 4GB of RAM with a 128GB of internal storage, and also we have another that gave you a 6GB of RAM with a 128GB of internal storage. And this phone also has a 6000 mAh of battery size, so that's a really good thing as well. And guys, you can see that we have a 128GB of internal storage with a 6GB of RAM, and also and the color I have is the twilight blue color. So now let's quickly unbox the Xiaomi Redmi 90. And also this phone also give you a Snapdragon 662 processor, which is same as the Poco M3. And now let's quickly open this box. I already removed the seal on this phone, so let's unbox that. And guess you can see that on the top we have one more mini box, and inside of this little box we get a SIM injection tool, and inside of this little box we also get a user manual as well as a warranty card with the Xiaomi Redmi 90. We also get a soft silicone case, and you can see it is a soft silicone case that we are getting with the Xiaomi Redmi 90. And this phone also give you a side mounted fingerprint scanner, I believe. And guys, here is the device, and you can see here is the Xiaomi Redmi 90. And guys, and these are the main highlighting feature about this phone. On the back we get a 14 megapixel AI quad cameras on this phone, in which you also get a ultra wide as well as a macro lens. And this phone also give you a 6000 mAh of battery size with a 18 watt fast charging, and that's a really good thing as well. This phone give you a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset. It is not the best chipset in this price range. On the front we also get a 6.53 inch Full HD water top display as well with a dual speakers as well, and that's a really unique thing as well. So now let me remove the plastic first. And guys, here is the Xiaomi Redmi 90, and you can see on the back we get a matte finish, and it says that Redmi on the back, but I don't like this Redmi logo on the back. And on the back we get a quad cameras, and you can see. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see what else we get. And other than the phone, inside of this box we get a USB Type-C cable, I believe. Yes, we get a USB Type-C cable with the Xiaomi Redmi 90, and you can see that's a really good thing as well. And we don't get any headphones, but we also get a charging brick. Now let's see the ampere rating as well as voltage on this phone. 10 volt with a 2.25 ampere 22.5 watt adapter, but this phone support maximum 18 watt fast charging. So now let's put all these things inside the box. And guys, here is the Xiaomi Redmi 90. Front we get a 6.53 inch display. It is a IPS HD display, but we get a full HD resolution on this phone. Now let's quickly show you the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone. And guys, on the left hand side we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on the Redmi 90. This phone also have a water repellent coating as well. And guys, you can see that you can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full flash SIM slot, so that's a really nice thing as well. And on the right hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker as well as a side mounted fingerprint scanner, and you can see which is also work as with power on a button. On the front we also get a screen protector. And guys, on the back we get a quad cameras, and you can see on the back it is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. On the front we get a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection as well. So now let's quickly start up this phone up. Okay guys, and we are done, and you can see here is the first boot of the Xiaomi Redmi 90, and you can see. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, I would say that one thing I noticed is that the viewing angle of this display is really bad, and you can see it is really bad. But it is a IPS HD display, and also this is a full HD display, so that's a really good thing as well. And this phone also give you a dark mode as well as a screen recording feature as well. That's a really good thing as well. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see. And guys, in the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also not the fastest, and you can see it take 1 second. And this phone, it is running on Android 10, and you can see which is not the latest version from Android. And also this phone also running on MIUI version 12. We have 128 GB of internal storage out of 109 GB. It is available for you guys. Now let's see the camera on this phone. Guys, on the back we get the quad cameras, and the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel, and also we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide as well as a 2 megapixel macro and a depth sensor as well. And here is your ultra wide, and you can see ultra wide looks like this. And also we have a video section on this phone. You can also record videos with the ultra wide lens. Now let's see the video recording size with the back camera. And guys, in the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. We don't get 4K with the Xiaomi Redmi 90. And one thing, it is also really good on this phone, you can also record videos with the macro lens on the back, 2 megapixel, but the quality, it is not really good on this phone, and I don't recommend macro lens. And also we have a AI mode on this phone. We also have a portrait mode on this phone, which is also work on objects. And we also have a night mode on this phone. We also have a 48 megapixel mode as well, slow motion on this phone. We have a time lapse on this phone, and you can see. And guys, now let's see the front camera on this phone. And guys, on the front we get a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see in the quality with the front camera, it is really bad. And also we have a portrait mode on this phone, and at least we get a 16 megapixel selfie camera on the front, but on the front we get a 8 megapixel selfie camera. And now let's see the video recording size, full HD at 30 fps, and you can see. And guys, what I have to say regarding the Xiaomi Redmi 90, and you can see, and the specification about the phone, it is really good in this price range, but I don't like the chipset on this phone. It is not really good for gaming especially, but the cameras, it is really good on this phone, especially back camera, but I don't like the front camera on this phone. And also this phone also give you a 6000 mAh of battery size, and this phone gave you at least 1.5 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And also we have a 18-watt fast charging on this phone. Nice to see that we get a 18-watt fast charging on this phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I am a first impression regarding the Xiaomi Redmi 90. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.